Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase unwanted things in photos on your iPhone. First, open your Photos app and choose the picture you want to enhance. Tap the Edit button, usually found in the top right corner. Then, select the Retouch tool. Gently paint over the object you wish to remove. Remember to zoom in for more accurate and cleaner edits. This simple method works well for minor distractions. For quick and easy removals, especially for small blemishes or text, the markup tool can be very effective. After tapping Edit, select the markup option. Choose a color that closely matches the area around the object you want to remove. Then, use a pen or brush to carefully draw over it. This technique is ideal for minor touch-ups and can save you a lot of time. Sometimes, the built-in tools aren't enough for more complex removals. That's where third-party apps come in handy. Applications like Touch Retouch or Snapseed offer incredibly powerful object removal features. They provide more sophisticated algorithms and greater control, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results even with challenging backgrounds. Many of these apps are available for a small one-time purchase or subscription. To get the best possible results, always remember to duplicate your photo before making any edits. This preserves your original image. Zooming in closely is crucial for precision, especially around edges. Don't be afraid to combine different tools and techniques. Sometimes a blend works best. With a little practice, you'll be removing unwanted elements like a pro, making your iPhone photos truly stand out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.